Yo, what's up YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open your frunk on your Porsche Taycan. Alright, so you want to open up your door, and then down here on the floorboard, there's going to be a little fuse panel. I'm going to show you that here in a minute. Down here in our floorboard area, we're going to find this little kick panel. We're going to remove this little kick panel, and then back behind here, it's going to have your fuse panel, right? And then you're gonna see this little red, you're gonna see this little red tab right here. And on this little red tab, it's gonna have a picture of a vehicle with the hood up, right? And then on the sides of it is gonna have this little copper metal, right? That is your positive jump point, where you wanna hook your positive jumper cable, your red jumper cable to. Those two to connect it to pop the hood, and your negative will be right here on this door latch. We're going to use a Noco Boost GB 150 jump box, and you can use any jump box you want or a set of jumper cables, but just make sure you hook up the red first. Make sure if you're jumping it from another car that you have the other car turned off. I would highly suggest using a jump box like this if you can. Go ahead and hook it up. Okay, so go ahead and hook up your red cable to the jump point like so. Like that. And then we're going to take our negative cable and hook that up second to the door latch here. There we go. Got her open. Okay, so now that we got the frunk to open, we'll just reach our hand in here and get the secondary latch, which is this little red latch right here. You just reach in and push that over, and then voila, your frunk is now open. All right, you guys, thanks for watching the video. That's how to open your frunk on a Porsche Taycan, and also how to jump start it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.